Oh, he's dreamy. I wonder if we'll ever be together. Maybe I should just ask him, right?
No makeup in school.
Hey.
Wipe that off.
Huh? Oh no!
Hey. Yeah, that's huge.
Please ignore that.
How can I?
Aww.
How many times do I have to tell you? Makeup is banned!
Oh, I totally forgot about that. Huh? Wait. I have an idea. Hi there, Boo-Boo. You and I are gonna team up. We'll be right back. Maybe there's a reason Labubu's don't have eyelashes.
Attention! Oh, stop right there. What's that?
It's my Boo-Boo, my charm. Isn't she the cutest?
Huh. Okay, you can go.
That actually worked! I'm a genius! Time to make these eyes impossible to ignore. I have myself to thank.
I can't find my limited edition Labubu. Whoa. I can't believe… You took my Labubu. Never do that again.
Ugh.
Wait over there. Where do you think you're going, Missy? Are you hiding any makeup?
Nope, it's just coffee.
Oh, iced latte? My favorite.
Huh? You can't drink it! I'm sick. It's contagious.
Fine, go. One notebook for each class. Caffeine. Hashtag need. Oh. Oh.
No!
What have you done?
What's in this?
Blech. Take it.
Let me explain. I basically reinvented the definition of makeup on the go with this hack. Brush? What brush? Just my straw. Who needs a makeup bag when you've got a coffee cup? Perfect fit. Double shot of espresso and a touch of glam. Let me show you how it works. Time for a quick touch-up.
Whoa, impressive. 5 more minutes, Mom.
Rise and…
What?
Your under eyes!
Ugh, I couldn't sleep well last night.
Do you need concealer? Here.
Wow, thanks. Uh-oh. I see, I take. Because remember? No makeup allowed. Look what you made me do. Fine. Tisk, tisk, tisk.
But that's mine!
Do I look like I care?
Okay, I said nothing.
Good. Now stop bothering me.
You owe me $20 for that.
Whoa, I don't have that much. That's why I'll make you something even better. Something totally teacher-proof. They said no makeup in class, but they didn't say no art supplies.
Love these shades.
Phew, my debt is settled then.
You wish.
That was yours too?
How was your weekend? I'm talking to you. I hate clowns!
Your face!
Why would you do that?
Call it Halloween prep.
Huh? I totally forgot about that. I need… that lipstick.
I was using that.
My turn now. This is all I need for the perfect Halloween look. Minimal tools, maximum drama. Brace yourselves, this'll look way too real. I might scare myself. Perfect Halloween scratches, no special effects needed. Ugh, it hurts.
Huh? What happened?
Look, I got attacked.
By a monster? A real monster?
Gotcha!
Can't believe I fell for that. This will go viral.
Hey, delete that! What's so funny?
You.
Oh, Another pimple? Aw. I'm posting this. No, you're not! Let it go!
You and you! Zip it!
Yeah.
Behave!
Foundation to my rescue. My perfect match. Need I remind you? Teacher! Oh no! Aha! I know what to do. From regular size to travel size. If I can't keep it in my bag, I'll hide it in plain sight. Desperate times call for desperate hacks. She has foundation in her bag!
Ugh, you kids get on my nerves.
Take it! Huh?
Okay, but where is it?
I don't know what he's talking about.
Very well. You! Don't ever waste my time like that again!
Do I hate you? The feeling's mutual.
Aha! I feel inspired.
Aw, he makes my heart beat faster.
This'll be my masterpiece.
I can't stop dreaming about him. Don't let go!
Never!
Kiss me!
Gladly.
If this is a dream, don't wake me up!
Hey! Wake up!
Huh?
Oh no!
Are you with us? No makeup!
Not again!
Say your goodbyes to these products.
Ugh, this is so annoying.
Something's missing. Eureka! I figured it out!
I figured it out too! Coloring? Oh, I'm gonna color. Just on my face. Let's see if anyone notices my super pigmented crayon. Blue liner equals bold energy. It's giving totally unstoppable. Careful! This eyeliner could slice feelings. So sharp, so fierce. Uh-oh.
What am I looking at? Oh, just a crayon. Okay.
I knew it was a great plan. Hey.
What now? Hi. Looking good. Check this out.
Oh, it's awful. I mean, awfully good. So talented. Yikes.
Stop! By now, you know the rule. So let's hope you don't have any makeup.
You're the best teacher.
Aw. Thanks. I still need to check your bag, though.
Okay. Guess I have to face the consequences.
Oh! Unacceptable! All goes to the trash.
No!
Then get out!
Oh, I can't take this anymore.
Psst. I can help.
Huh? How?
You see this?
Wow! That's genius! I'm in! Ta-da! This is the real no makeup makeup.
Next. Oh. You again.
I promise I don't have any makeup this time.
But, Okay, go ahead.
Thanks!
No makeup, please and thank you.
He's really strict about this. This is so annoying. But he doesn't know who he's dealing with. Nobody can keep me away from my makeup, not even him. This is a makeup emergency, everyone. Now it all depends on my acting skills. Oh, it hurts!
They never follow the rules!
Huh?
So, as I was saying… Are you okay?
Oh yes. I mean, not really. I just want to go to class.
Go, sweetie.
That was easy. It's lipstick time. My favorite shade of pink. Rules? What rules?
If anyone asks, I'm sunbathing by the pool all afternoon. What? Here you go. Thanks, Betty, but I never burn. I'm staying in the air conditioning, thank you very much. It's like 1,000,000 degrees out there, but the pool felt great. face itches. Whoa! Since when did I get freckles? It's really no big deal. Don't worry, girl. I got you. Some people happen to like freckles. You can even get them on purpose. They look pretty real, right? Now I'm sun-kissed too. How do I look? Those look just like mine. You always make me feel better. It's summertime, which means armpit hair's gotta go. I'm gonna pee my pants. Yeah! Watch where you're going. Betty, where's your eyebrow? I accidentally shaved it off? It was a total accident, okay? Just put the razor down, Betty. Ah! Please. Stop! What? Can't you see this hideousness? Let me think for a second. This spoon has the perfect curve. I can totally shape an eyebrow. I'm just following the line, see? Then I just have to fill it all in. This is totally working. You'd never even know it was gone. Take a look for yourself. Let me see. You just may be a makeup genius, Lily. Man, that was a close one. How do you spell Renaissance again? Okay, now focus. My hand's getting tired. What's my name again? Come on! Huh? What? This is torture. Just gonna rest for 1 second. Who turned the lights on? Wait, is that daylight? Yep, I totally fell asleep. Who's that witch in my reflection? I can't go to class like this. All-nighters are the worst. What's that glorious smell? There's something in here I need now. Yes! Hey, that's not for you. Did you stay up all night again? The price of getting an A. I'll just make my own. A fresh jar of honey? Maybe all hope isn't lost after all. First, you need to mix the ingredients in a bowl. Just take a tablespoon of grounds and a little dollop of honey. Let the honey drip off the spoon and onto the coffee grinds. Then add just a splash of water. The contents should meld together. Take a cotton pad and cut it in half. Now carefully place them into the bowl. They should soak it all right up. Then put those suckers right over those bags. The caffeine is a miracle for puffy eyes. And now we wait. Being beautiful is so much work. And I was like, Lily, let me call you back. Lily, you fell asleep at the counter again. What? Your eyes! Whatever you did worked like a charm. Yes! Coffee's the best thing ever! Wow! What better way to spend a summer day than by the pool? I almost forgot to put this on. Just a small dab. And I shine brighter than the sun. What girl doesn't love a little sparkle? Yay! I never go anywhere without this stuff. The sun feels great, doesn't it? Whoa, check out this beauty. Definitely worth interrupting my game. Excuse me? You're blocking the sun. Whoa, no wonder you stopped playing. Hello? Another pretty girl over here. Seriously? Am I invisible all of a sudden? Why won't anyone talk to me? Oh, I'll show you exactly what to do. First, you need some baby oil and some bronzer. Scrape the makeup onto a popsicle stick. Now drop it into the bottle of oil. See how it drips down into the bottle? Next, take some cosmetic glitter and pour it right on in there. Now that's the sparkle we want. Screw the cap back on nice and tight. Then it's time to shake things up. Isn't it absolutely gorgeous? Rub some of that on, and it'll be like moths to a flame. Thanks for sharing. We refilled your drink, Lily. Who's that? You're the most beautiful girl I've ever seen. Yup, this stuff works like a charm. As good as you do your makeup, touch-ups throughout the day are essential. This palette sure is bulky. Any room for my brushes in here? Can't forget my brush. And staying hydrated is a must. There we go. Any more room in there? Everything's just so tight. Is there a bigger bag I can use? I just want one more little thing. Hey, look at all those Q-tips. Lily, think I can snag one of those? Thanks. This is gonna be perfect. Why carry around a bottle of makeup when a Q-tip can carry it for you? Simply dip it into your concealer. And once you get a good amount, it's good to go. The baggie will keep the tip moist. Don't forget to seal it up tight. Now you're ready. This thing can fit just about anywhere, even this tiny pocket. I'm heading out. Bye, Betty. What's with the giant mess? Seriously? Think these makeup hacks could come in handy in your life? That makeshift coffee eye compress was pretty impressive, right? Do you have any at-home beauty hacks you'd care to share with your fellow viewers? We'd love to hear about them. Have you watched these yet? Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss out on our helpful tips and hacks.